Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete your Facebook account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, first of all, open up your Facebook app. We're gonna be here in the home screen, and from this section you're going to go ahead and tap on this menu icon at the bottom right corner, and then you're going to go ahead and tap on this settings icon on top right corner. Then you will find this section where you can see the Meta Account Center. Tap on it and you will find this interface, right? And from this section you're going to go ahead and tap on this personal details option, and then tap on account ownership and control. Choose deactivation or deletion. Choose your Facebook profile. Choose a delete account, tap on continue. Choose a reason, tap on continue. Tap on continue again, and then scroll down, tap on continue again for you. If you want to transfer some info or download, you can do that. Then add in your password, tap on continue at the bottom, and delete your account. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.